In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of the App Store missing on your iPhone. Sometimes, due to software glitches or accidental settings changes, the App Store icon may disappear from your device's home screen. But don't worry, fixing this problem is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down again, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on the iTunes and App Store Purchases option. And then tap Installing Apps. As you can see, installing apps is set to Don't Allow, which is why the App Store is missing on your iPhone. To fix that, simply tap on the Allow option. Now, if I go back to the home screen, the App Store should be visible and accessible. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.